Hey guys! If you're looking for a creative way to design your balloons for your next party, just like this, well, in this video, we're gonna break it down step by step. What you're gonna need are balloons, some glue dot, and a garland tape. The links for materials are mentioned down below. First step is inflate the balloons. Nice and easy. The next step is to carefully tape the balloons together using garland tape. Let the creative juices take over. Place them to your liking. Be creative in placing the big balloons and small balloons together, just like this. And when you're done, hang the balloons on your wall. Make sure it's placed and secured nicely. See those gaps? Use double-sided tape on the balloon and fill it up, just like this. Add more balloons and put them everywhere in your liking. Be creative! And we're done! Now, it's time to party! If you want more of this, check out our other videos.